It gets on my nerves when the cat starts persistently meowing behind the window. She demands attention. She demands somebody to open the door. But I don't want to serve her when she wants to, because I have some other activities, and she has none. That is, her only activity is to play and to run and to dream, which not many people afford themselves, while the cats can afford it. Do they want to be people, I wonder? Do they dream about being humans? Because humans have more opportunities, and humans realize their plans, have real achievements, unlike cats, who only dream and dream and do nothing. Lazy, idle creatures, though very lovable, admirable, pretty, cute, smart. That is why we are fond of them.